Hello guys, today is Friday. We try just to see and to do a follow-up what's going on in the market. And as I told you, I always use the Dow Jones Industrial 30 stocks because it represents the market. Although it is 30 stocks, but it represents the whole market because these companies, like 30 companies, they are the biggest companies in the world and in USA, and they are in different sectors. Okay, so let's go to the let's go to the chart first. Okay, so as you are looking at the chart now, what did happen today? Okay, today, as you can see, it's a better day. We have $330.44 up, but understand that the market has done a new low today. This new low, which is here, which is 23,360 point. Now, this is the new low, and it crosses the support line that we spoke before. Okay, so we take this, it doesn't need. Now, what will you do? Now, we keep the chart as it is because this the short sellers succeed all the stocks to put them down, but there are other people who are buying. Okay, this is my explanation. There are all other people, mostly these people. Who are they? They are short sellers who buy back. Okay, they are buying back. Okay, from here, from the low. Okay, from 24. The open is 23,992.67. This is the open when the Dow Jones opens. Now it goes to 24,382, and then it goes down. And this is what will interest us because it crosses, as I told you, it crosses the support line. But the thing is, there is a lot of buying back. It means those short sellers, they buy back, and that's why the Dow is going up until it gained $330.44 from yesterday. Because when you see this green, it means what the market has gained is related to yesterday. Okay, yesterday close. If you see yesterday close and today, you will find that there is $330.44 up, which is 1.38%. Now, what is my opinion now? My opinion, we are still in danger for investors. Now, why is that? Because we try to do the same as here. We take these two trend, okay, and I will leave the trend as they are. Okay, so next week, either the whole market, we have a red candlestick and crosses for true, because this, it was a fake crossing, because it crosses but it goes back, so it is just fake. It's not true. So we will be waiting until next week. If there is a red candlestick like this or whatever, and it crosses, we understand that we are still going to have a big correction or crash. Now, what if the Dow Jones with all 30 stocks go up? Okay, go up and crosses this resistance line next week. What will happen? It means that it is just a small correction, okay? And the market will have the trend as before, okay? It will continue the trend, as you can see here. It will continue the trend, the big trend that we have from a long time ago. This big trend, okay? Now, if there is a new attempt to cross this support line here on this day, which is 6th of February, it means last Tuesday, because this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If there is another crossing to this support line, we understand that there is a new low, because today we have a new low, which is $23,360.29. This is a new low, but it is not confirmed yet. Now, what does it mean? It's not confirmed yet. It means it didn't stay here. Okay, it didn't stay because we have a lot of covering back. Okay, a lot of those people who have been here yesterday and they have been shorting the whole market for the whole day, which was a very bad day. Today they push it down, but they feel there are a lot of buyers. So what they do, they begin to cover their short, and it stays here. But this doesn't mean that on Monday or Tuesday next week they will not do the same, because if there are big guys pushing the market down like mutual funds, it will have the same. Okay, so let's go back and explain to you this according to what I see. Okay, so as we said, the market was going up, it stops, then it's going down, okay, and we put support line. This is support line, okay. Then we have a good day, and we have a day where there is nothing like this, and then we have a bad day, okay, which is so. And then today, what did happen? Okay, at first the stock begins here, the Dow Jones begins here, but it go down, so it was red. It was red because it goes below this, below the close of this day, which is Thursday. So it was red. But understand, what makes this red, it changes to green, is just because the Dow begin going up, and then it goes up more, and this where we have 300, let's say 330, okay, 330, 44 cents for today. Now, if you say $330.44 from where? It's just from the close here. This is the close, and since it's going up, 330.44. Now, if you tell me, for example, what do you think about let's say next week? Okay, so as I told you before, for me, this is my rules. My rules is no prediction. I don't predict. No prediction. Okay, so I don't know what will happen on Monday, if God wills, if we are still alive. So I don't know. I don't predict. For me, what's the most important thing I'm looking for, just to understand my idea, as always, The most important thing is it going up on Monday or is it crossing? Is it crossing this support line here? If it crosses, let's give you a scenario here. Okay. Let's say this is Monday. Let's say it begins here and it crosses for true. Red. It becomes red on red. What does it mean? It means we will have a new low, and this is a confirmation of the crash. Confirmation of the crash, because this is how the crash works. The crash doesn't go day by day going down. Okay, so here how the downtrend works. Just give you an information. Okay, so let's change the color, at least some of you guys. Okay, so let's say the market is going up in January, it stops. Now when it's going down, it will do like this. It go down, then the people here, they cover their short. Why the Dow Jones or any stock do the same thing? It's always going down, and then we have 1 day or 2 or 3 it's going up. Now why we have this going up after the support line here? It stops and we have it going up here. Why? This is for short sellers. What they do, they buy back the shares. Buy back the shares they sell. And this in the jargon of Wall Street, it's called to cover back. Cover back. What does it mean? It means if you are shorting, what does it mean shorting? It means you are selling shares, selling shares that does not or do not belong to you. Okay, this is short selling. Doesn't belong to you. It means you just borrow shares from the broker, and the broker, from where the broker bring these shares is from investors. Investors who are holding for stocks. They take their shares without permission. It means there is no permission. He took their shares and give them to short sellers. They sell them. Now when they sell them, the stock market will be going down. Going down. And then when they stop shorting, they should buy back these shares and give it again to their broker or to the investors. This is done automatically, so it's not something that you can see, but this is what happened. Okay, that's why you see this green after. Now let's continue. Let's continue. Now, when the people they buy back, they will short again. Then what do? They buy back. Then they short again. Then they buy back. They short again. Buy back. Now, as you can see, it shouldn't be directly the same as this, because understand, that a trend, it doesn't mean that it should be like this. It could be anything. It could be like this, okay, like this. It could be any pattern, because for me, I don't follow patterns in my trading. I don't follow patterns. Those who follow patterns like this, they follow patterns. The stock can even go up like this, go down, go up like this. It can do whatever. So trends are different. But the main thing is everything what is going on will be the same as I described. So the people who put the market down are not small people or just the public. They are big guys who have billions of dollars to go down. Okay? So as I told you in this thing, let me see here. Okay, so as I told you, the situation for investors, it is alarming, and it is dangerous, and it is risky. Now for us like traders, it is an opportunity to make money in this crash or in this small correction. It means you can do whatever you want in order to make money. You should go to the other direction. There is going long and there is shorting. Okay? So you should think to change the direction before all your money is gone, like what happened in 2008 or whatever. Okay, so at the end of this thing, I will just show you that tomorrow, okay, you can see here, tomorrow I will have a live session. So a live session on YouTube tomorrow, Saturday, 10 February at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Those guys that are always with me, they are waiting for me at 11 p.m. each Saturday, all Saturdays. So please join us so we can discuss this crash or correction into details, and I will answer all your questions. You can also check my solutions to the correction crash. I always try to remember you. So training level 18, how to short the whole market. You can do that. You can use the options if you know how to use them. Or you can use sell short a stock, whatever stock you like. And those who are new to day trading, you can take this course, which is training level 12, how to day trade using the chart candlesticks. Okay? Or if you want more details, you can go to my website and you check the direct live session by Skype. You can buy 1 hour or 2 hours or whatever hours you like, and whatever thing you want, I will explain using Skype. It means one by one. It means I will just teach you by yourself. I will not teach others with you. Okay, some people like that, and I am doing whatever students want. Either you can use videos, ebooks, or the live sessions. Okay, so thank you very much for this, and I hope I give you a lot of information, and that the market has two directions. The market can go long and it can go down. So don't think that when the market is going down, you will be making money going long. There are exceptions. I will talk about these exceptions tomorrow, where you can find things that go up. I will show you tomorrow, and I give you examples. Okay, about what are the things that can go up in this crash. So please, if you have time and you are just hanging out, okay, if you have nothing to do, just attend this session and we can just talk and you can ask whatever questions and I will try to help as much as I can. Okay, so thank you very much and see you tomorrow at 11 p.m. for the live session on YouTube. Thank you.